Let's get a new track. I'm going to choose drum beats, and it's going to give me the drum track that I had before. So you'll see if I scroll up, I have my bass drum, my snare drum, and now I'm going to record my hi-hats. I'll go back to the beginning. Now the hi-hat pattern, we're going to use, this is the hi-hat here, and this is the closed hi-hat and the open hi-hat. So I'm going to record closed, open, alternating. But instead of quarter notes, I'm going to do it twice as fast, and it's going to be eighth notes. So if quarter notes were main, 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 main to the click, eighth notes are Utah, 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 Utah. And here's the eighth notes. Utah, 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 Utah. So I'm going to record this. 90 might be a little fast. Some of you might want to change this to record to 80. So let's try that. This way I can be really accurate and really close. So I'll confirm that. And I'm ready to go. So all I have to do is hit record, get my U ready and my 8 ready. And here we go. Hit record to Utah, 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 Utah. Great. You want to get that U of Utah, which is the U here for Utah, on the beat, on the click. And then the ta, which is the letter 8 here on our computer keyboard, is the in between Utah, Utah, and that's off the click. Don't forget to edit by quantizing, and we recorded eighth notes, so quantize to the eighth note, and don't forget to save. Let's go back and listen to our recording, and this is what a trap beat looks like. Let's see the whole thing. Great. Doesn't sound much like dance music to me, so let's get this tempo up to something we can listen to. 132, why not? Dance music can be played back anywhere between 122 and 144. Depends on the kind of dance music. I'm going to turn the metronome off because I don't need the click right now. I'm going to hit return, and here's a trap beat. Not bad. You'll notice I tried to adjust some volume. I like to hear the bass drum, the snare drum, a little less on the hi-hat. It's all personal taste and industry standards. We'll talk about that another time. That's how you make a trap beat using SoundTrap.